kickresume, for those who might be unfamiliar, is a fantastic online resume and cover letter builder. It offers a plethora of templates, AI assistance for crafting compelling content, and even tools to build a personal website. It's designed to streamline the job application process, making it easier for individuals to create professional and ATS-friendly documents that stand out. For many, it's a valuable tool in their job search arsenal, helping them put their best foot forward in a competitive market. But even the most useful tools sometimes outlive their purpose for an individual. Maybe you've successfully navigated the job market and are now happily employed. Congratulations! In that case, maintaining an active kickresume account with all your personal data stored on their servers might feel unnecessary. Or perhaps you've opted for a different resume-building solution that better suits your evolving needs. There are many reasons why someone might decide to delete their account. It could be privacy concerns, a desire to minimize their digital footprint, or simply a feeling of closure after a successful job hunt. Whatever your motivation, knowing how to properly delete an account is crucial. You don't want to leave your personal information floating around indefinitely, especially with sensitive details like work history, education, and contact information. Deleting an account isn't just about clicking a button. It's about understanding what happens to your data, ensuring your subscription is truly canceled, and making sure you're not leaving any loose ends. So, you've made the decision. You're ready to say goodbye to your kickresume account. But where do you even start? Is it a straightforward process? Or are there hidden hurdles to jump over? The good news is, kickresume has a relatively clear process for account deletion, but there are a few important points to be aware of before you dive in. This isn't just about hitting delete and forgetting about it. It's about being informed and taking the right steps to ensure your data is removed as you intend. First things first, it's important to differentiate between canceling a subscription and deleting an account. If you're a premium user, simply deleting your account might not automatically cancel recurring payments. You could end up being charged for a service you no longer use, which is a frustration nobody wants. Think of it like this. Deleting your house doesn't automatically stop your utility bills if you haven't formally disconnected the services. So, if you have an active premium subscription, make sure you address that before initiating the account deletion process. kickresume's Help Center explicitly states that you don't have to delete your whole account to cancel your premium subscription. You can unsubscribe in your subscription settings, and your premium access will typically continue until the end of your billing period. This is a vital first step to avoid any unexpected charges. Now, let's talk about what happens to your data. When you delete your kickresume account, all your data and documents will be permanently deleted and cannot be restored. This is a critical point to understand. If you have any resumes, cover letters, or personal websites created on kickresume that you might want to access in the future, make sure to download them before you proceed with deletion. kickresume offers options to download your documents in PDF or .doc format, or even send them to your email. Don't skip this step, or you'll lose all your hard work. Imagine landing an interview for a role you applied to months ago and realizing you can't access the exact resume you submitted. Always err on the side of caution and back up your documents. The actual deletion process itself is quite simple. You'll typically navigate to your account settings within the kickresume platform. Look for a profile icon or a similar option in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on it should reveal a drop-down menu, and within that, you'll find Account or Account Settings. Once you're in your account settings, you'll need to locate the option to delete your account. This is often found in a section clearly labeled as Danger Zone or something similar, signaling the finality of the action. You'll usually be prompted to confirm your decision, often with a warning about the irreversible nature of the deletion. Read these prompts carefully. They are there to ensure you fully understand the consequences before proceeding. Once you confirm, your account and all associated data will be deleted as per kickresume's policy. Their privacy policy also indicates that your data will still be accessible for an additional 30 days after you close the account in case you change your mind. After this 30-day period, all your data will be permanently deleted, and you would need to open a new account if you ever wish to use their services again. They also state that if an account is not closed, data is stored for a maximum of 5 years from your last login. after which the account is canceled and data deleted. You'll be notified by email before this happens. This means even if you just abandon an account, it will eventually be purged, but a direct deletion is the fastest way to ensure your data is removed. It's also worth noting that kickresume, being based in the EU, adheres to GDPR, General Data Protection Regulation. This means you have certain rights regarding your personal data, including the right to erasure, the right to be forgotten. If for any reason you encounter issues with deleting your account through the standard process, you can always reach out to their support team directly, or even contact them via their GDPR email address, which is typically gdpr@kickresume.com. This provides an additional layer of assurance that your data privacy rights are upheld. So, to recap the essential steps for deleting your kickresume account. Step 1. Cancel any active premium subscriptions. This is crucial to avoid unwanted recurring charges. Go to your subscription settings and ensure auto-renewal is turned off or cancel your subscription outright. Your premium access will usually continue until the end of the current billing period. Step 2. Download all important documents and data. Before you delete your account, save any resumes, cover letters, or personal websites you've created. Once the account is deleted, these will be gone forever. Step 3. Navigate to your account settings. Log in to your kickresume account and look for your profile icon, usually in the top right corner. Click on it and select Account or Account Settings. Step 4. Locate the Delete Account option. Within your account settings, search for a section clearly indicating account deletion, often labeled as a danger zone. Step 5. Confirm the deletion. You'll be prompted with a warning message. Read it carefully and confirm that you wish to proceed. Remember, this action is irreversible after a 30-day grace period. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.